In today's video, I'm going to show you how to monitor unique visitors and bandwidth usage in Cloudflare Analytics. First, log into your Cloudflare dashboard and select the website you want to analyze. Once you're inside the site dashboard, click on Analytics and Logs, and then open Web Analytics or Traffic Analytics, depending on your Cloudflare plan. Here you'll find key metrics about your website's performance and traffic. To view unique visitors, look for the Visitors or Traffic section, which shows how many individual users have visited your site during a selected time period. To monitor bandwidth usage, check the bandwidth or data transfer metrics. These reports show how much traffic is being served through Cloudflare and how much data your visitors are consuming. You can also adjust the date range to analyze traffic trends over the last 24 hours, 7 days, 30 days, or a custom period. These insights help you understand audience growth, traffic patterns, and overall website performance. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.